Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Judge.
I don't know what order y'all came in on, but if you need to confer, at this time, there's only one prosecutor, Ms. Sanchez. So you stand in line and talk to her. Let me know when you talk to him, whether your client's here and what's going on. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, the first one, Deputy Butler, are you there?
I am.
Go ahead.
All right, everybody, welcome to County Court 9. It is now in session. The Honorable Judge Raymond Angelini presiding. Counselors, when you are called upon to make announcements, please have the page number and case number ready for the judge. Also, please conduct yourself as if you were in the courtroom. Stop driving, remove hats. If you must do something that is not related to this proceeding, please disable your video. It is distracting to others here. And let's have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, the first one that came in is Mr. Tim Roundtree.
Good morning, Ms. Castillo. I would like to confer.
You're in a breakout room, sir. Next one is Mr. Rene Munoz.
Ooh,
Rene Munoz. Okay, he must be busy in another court. Next one is Mr. Bob Hicks.
Good morning, Your Honor. I would like to confer on Alberto Hernandez, who's on page 4.
well, there's only one prosecutor. She's talking to someone else. So.
I understand. I can make an announcement on Melissa Bobadilla on page 5. I have been unable to contact her. I called the 3 numbers that I have on my phone for
Wait a
her.
minute, page 5, page 5.
Page 5, yes, sir. She's about 4
What's
lines
the-
up from the bottom.
What's the number?
Actually got 2 cases. Anyway, I've been told
No,
I
no,
can get
no.
her.
Give me a number.
Okay,
I don't have it on the docket.
664011.
I'm not here. Daniel Moaña.
It's gonna be 001, Judge. 664001.
Okay, I don't have that on the docket. Do I have the right docket?
February 22.
Oh, I got 23. Never mind. Okay, I have to put another docket. Okay.
I thought I was the only person that made that mistake.
No, she must give me 2 dockets, and I need to go back.
And which of the prosecutors?
Okay,
do you
y'all can
have?
confirm. I need to get this other docket, so I'm gonna be off here for a second.
Okay.
Okay, let me go ahead and put Mr. Rene Munoz, are you back?
I'm here. Yes, Soledad. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, I know I had Stephanie Hernandez for today, and we completed the paperwork. So if we could do a plea on.
The plea paperwork is ready?
Yes, ma'am. Everything. I got a notification that everything has been executed.
Okay. All right. Let me put you in a breakout room so that the state will be able to let you know where we're at on that, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
The other one is Mr. Dylan George. Mr. Dylan George? Okay, Robert Vargas.
Good morning. I'm here with Christopher Medina. My client's sitting in my office. I was needing to confer with the prosecutor about working out a plea. I don't know if we can recall it for tomorrow for the plea, or if we want to get it done this morning, Judge.
We can do it this morning. Just get it done.
Okay. You just put me in line, Your Honor. I'll wait my turn for the prosecutor.
Is Mr. Lawrence Morales?
Yes, this is Lawrence Morales, clients on page 5, Catherine Contreras, 661129. Yeah, and I'm gonna need a reset. We're still working out some of the terms.
Why do you need a reset?
Judge, there is a question about the terms as to the potential jail time that she may have to serve. In addition, she's kind of on the fence as to whether she wants to plea or not.
Well, she can decide right now.
Okay, well, at this time, Your Honor, would you a plea of not guilty?
Okay, then I need a discovery acknowledgement. We'll put you in the trial docket. We'll probably start on next week. So, yeah.
Okay, Judge, may I be excused?
No, not excused until the discovery acknowledgement is done. I need your client on too.
Yes, she is present, Judge.
Okay, I need discovery acknowledgement done. Not excused.
Okay,
I'll put you in a breakout room so the state can give you that, sir.
okay, thank you.
Lawrence Morales. Hold on.
Ms. Castillo, this is Tim Roundtree. I conferred as well. but-
I'll be right with you, sir.
Okay.
Hmm. Efraín Torres.
Hi, Elida. I have various cases. I have Brian Tamano Ponce, Luis Alberto Silva, Juan Garcia Galarza, and Jimena Valdez. I'd like to confront all of them, please.
And your clients are here?
Yes, there's some on Zoom, and then also they're here in my office. The only one that is not here is Jimena Valdez, but she texted me this morning saying she's going to get COVID tested or tested for the flu. So I'm not sure how Judge Angelini wants to handle that.
Be back tomorrow,
Yes, Judge.
her and you on that.
Yes,
And
of
the other
course.
one's confer.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
Roundtree, I'm sorry, go ahead.
That's okay. I conferred, but I'm going to need a discovery acknowledgement. Can you put me back in the breakout room?
Yes. Right
Thank
away. All right, the next one would be Miss Sunny Middleton.
Yes, ma'am. My client on page 1 is Joaquin Garcia.
I
need
think
to
he's the
confirm-
one that's he's in court, right?
No, that's on page 8, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
That's okay. Robert, on page 8, I do need to confer. I'd also like to ask for a reset since I was just at this morning. I don't even have discovery yet.
I'm sorry. Tell me that again. I didn't hear you.
I'm sorry. Robert Alaquiniz on page 8. He has
Okay.
2 cases. I was appointed this morning, so I haven't even had a chance to look at the discovery. I can ask the
Okay,
DA for
okay.
an offer.
We'll give her 10 days for sure. Okay,
Okay, he is in the courtroom.
okay.
And on page 1, number 2, I'm Joaquin Garcia.
Uh-huh.
I have an offer. I just need to talk to my client, see if he wants to take it.
All right, talk to him right now and let's see what.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
In a breakout room, what is, your client is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Joaquin
Joaquin
Garcia.
Garcia, yes.
I'm gonna look for Joaquin Garcia. Hold on. Next one would be Mr. Michael Goins.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here on 677-805. I believe it's the last person on the 9th page, and I need to confer.
Would be Vanessa Garcia.
Good morning, Aleda.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here on docket on page 2 for four, 5.
Ernest Parker?
Yes.
Okay. You need to confirm? Go ahead.
Yes. Conferring with the state, I've recently sent them a mitigation packet, so they need time to review that to extend, to see if they'd willing to come down on their offer.
All right, we'll reset it for tomorrow.
Okay.
They can look at it tonight and decide. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. May my client and I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ms. Brenda Livingston.
I'm here. It's Antonio de la Pena, 677600.
Did you need to confer on this one, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Is your client here?
He's not, Your Honor. I wasn't given a phone number for him, and I called pretrial services yesterday, and they're, of course, were closed. And then I called them this morning, and it was busy. But just right before I went on this Zoom, I got 2 phone numbers, which I haven't called, but I've texted to. I'm waiting to hear back.
Okay. It's going to be a bond forfeiture. It's not on by the time we leave.
Okay.
All right, the next one would be Mr. Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. On page 7, I have Sophia Cisneros, case number 672500. I'm hoping that she is present in court, Judge. She has been FTA.
Her name? I'll say it again. I'm sorry.
Sophia Cisneros, Your Honor. Page
Okay,
7.
yeah, I get it. Okay.
I'm hoping she's present in court, Judge. We have had no contact. This is the 3rd setting, Judge.
All right. Bailiff, Ms. Butler, are you there?
Yes, sir. She is not here, Judge.
Okay, it's a bond forfeiture then.
Very well, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Judge.
Mr. Douglas Kettmeyer.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What are you going to do, Douglas?
I'm going to use my first setting, Your Honor. I'd like to confer.
You know, confer.
Say it again.
Confer. Stand in line. As they
Very
say.
good, sir. I may have to jump out at 10:30 for a juvenile setting, but I'll be back.
Okay.
Bobby Barrera.
Good morning. I have, starting that video, I have Ryan Murphy, page 7. We would like to confer, please. 672755.
Got it. Okay.
Thank you.
Is he here?
I am just checking to see.
Is Ryan Murphy on?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
There he is, Judge, on the second
Okay.
page.
Got it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Ms. Taylor Wood.
Good morning, Aleda and Judge. We have Diego, right? Do you need the case number, Judge?
Yeah, what page is on? Yes.
I don't have the docket, but it's case number 661326.
Page 5.
What was the name again?
Diego Wright.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
We just like a motion to suppress setting, please.
Is your client on?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
He's listed under Diego Wright.
All right, give her a setting. Whenever Judge Saldaña, or I'll be here next week, Monday and Tuesday, if you want to do it then. Why don't you talk to the prosecutor, see if they can do it Monday or Tuesday? Because I'll be here to do it.
That sounds good. I think Tuesday will work out better for us, but I'll talk to the prosecutor.
Yeah, see what they can do, because it gives them a week to get their witnesses together. But let's do it. But
Okay.
talk to them first, okay?
Okay, can our client be excused while
Yes.
we figure out the setting? Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Mr. Javier Garcia.
Good morning. We
Good
have Mary Grace Ramos. The cause number is 663274.
Okay.
And I'd like to confer on that, Your Honor.
Sure.
And we also have another client, but it looks like we
Is
have.
Mary Ramos there?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I saw her logged in earlier. I don't see that
Mary
she was.
Ramos?
Mary Grace, I see her logged in as an iPhone.
I'm here.
Okay, got it.
Hello?
All right, go
And
ahead. You confer.
Thank you, Your Honor. We also have another client, but I just checked bear.org. Looks like it was reset for Gustavo Alonso. 652793.
That's correct. Okay, the next one will be Mr. Bill Brooks, Will Brooks, I'm sorry.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
I've got Sarah Brown. It's on page 3, Judge. At the top is one of the cases.
Okay,
And I just need to confer on Ms. Brown.
sure. Is she around?
She is, Judge. She's in the Zoom.
Okay, got it. Oh, keep moving. And you said you had another or not? I'm sorry.
Judge, she has 2 cases, so it's the same defendant. It's just.
Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, got it.
Mr. Albert Flores.
Morning, Judge.
Oh,
I've got Gabriel Lopez Chavez, bottom of the first page. He's got 2 cases, and he is
Okay.
present, or he was earlier.
Mr. Chavez, you around? Gabriel Chavez? Lopez Chavez?
Present.
Is that you waving?
That's him with the safety vest on, Judge.
Okay, got it.
Can you put us in line to confer?
Yes.
All right, the next one would be Mr. Andrew Priest.
Good morning, Judge. I would like to confirm, please.
Where are you?
I'm sorry, I'm on page 4, Jennifer Morales, 66078.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, is she around?
I texted her. She said she's in the waiting room, Your Honor.
I'm actually on now.
Okay, good. You can confer, Andrew. Please do.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Miss Mary Petrasiak.
Yes, good morning, Judge. How are you doing?
I'm fine, I hope.
Excellent. I hope so too. I have Mr. Abdelmasi, who is logged in, case number 653347 on page 3. And I also have Miss.
What was the name? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm sorry, I found it. Go ahead.
Kayla William Leah, page number 6. She has 2 cases. It's a 669334 and then 335. I didn't see her logged in, but I got a text message that said she might be logged in.
She's a fugitive, so she needs to turn herself in.
I'm logged in.
Okay, she is logged in. Good.
Well, she needs to turn herself in. You're worn out for arrest.
Yeah, should I will relay
Tell her
that.
to go to the courthouse and turn herself in.
I did a satellite bond.
Talk to her, Mary.
Yes, Judge. If I could go into a breakout room, Aleda, with Miss William Lee.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me go ahead and fix her name so I can make sure. Yeah, like that.
I'm good.
All right, Mr. Jerry Valdez.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I have not heard from Mr. Diaz. I don't know if he's logged on or not. He's on page 5 and 6. He just got indicted on a felony for choking, strangulation.
Gabriel Diaz, are you on? Gabriel Diaz.
Yes, Matt. Yes, sir.
Okay, he's on.
Okay, Judge. His felony set for May 2nd, and I believe this arose out of that violation of protective order.
Mr. Jerry Valdez, can I speak to you in private?
You can put us in a breakout room, Elena, when you have a chance.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Bob Hicks, were you able to confer?
I have. I have conferred on Alberto Hernandez, who is 661002 on page 4.
Okay, and?
There are some text messages mentioned in the police report that do not appear in any discovery, so Corinne's going to check on those, and she also needs to make contact with her complaining witness.
Okay, we're gonna set it for tomorrow. She could do all that today. And you need to go make sure she gets some stuff that you need.
Okay.
You're fine on, by the way, Alberto Hernandez?
Hi, yes, I'm checking in for Stephanie Hernandez.
No, Alberto Hernandez.
Oh, sorry about that.
I did have 2 other cases, Your Honor.
Okay, is Alberto Hernandez on?
Yes, I am present.
Okay, thank you. What else do you have, Mr. Hicks?
I have Melissa Bobadilla.
Okay.
She is on page
5. I got it.
I don't remember what page.
I know, I've got it. Go on.
Okay. 64001. I have tried to contact her, and the number with the bonding company is bad. The number on my appointment's bad. The 2 phone numbers she's calling me from are all bad. I have no way of getting in touch.
Okay, it's a bond forfeiture. What other case?
And the last one is Robert Flores on page 7.
Okay.
He has a felony pending in the 175th.
Well, he's a fugitive, so tell him he needs to turn himself in.
All right, thank you.
There's a warrant out for his arrest. Okay.
Are you issuing another one?
Is he on?
No, you said he had 3. I know he has. I did not know he was a fugitive.
He's a fugitive on his evading arrest.
Oh, okay, well, that's this case. I don't suppose he's on. Well,
Right, the bond
could we ask? Robert
Flores, are you on? Nope, bond forfeiture.
I know he called me this morning.
Okay.
I'll come back in just a minute.
Okay.
You should hold the space bar down to talk, all right? Hold space bar down to talk.
Hello, I'm right here.
All right, so
I'm right here. Robert Flores is right here.
Robert Flores is there, Your Honor.
Which one?
Robert Flores.
Robert
Right here.
Flores, you need to go turn yourself in. Where are you?
I'm right here.
You need to go turn
What
yourself
happened?
in to the courthouse.
What?
You need
I
to go to
mean,
the courthouse.
what happened, sir?
There's a warrant out for your arrest. Go turn yourself in.
All right.
Right
Okay.
now. Right now, right now.
Thank you. Okay. All right.
Rodolfo Cepeda?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'll wait for the.
I have Paul Carpenter, he's on page 8. And he's in jail, Your Honor, and I have him, he's got a felony pending, which is set this afternoon in the 226.
I'm sorry. What was the name again?
Paul Carpenter, he's on page 8.
Okay, I got it.
On
All
the
right,
top.
got that felony. All right, why don't you come back on Wednesday? Maybe it'll be resolved by then.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And, if it's
May
not,
be
then
excused then.
yes, sir.
Your Honor, this is Miss Middleton.
Okay.
Mr. Alaquinise is in the courtroom. He's the one you were giving us 10 days because I'm his new attorney. Does he need to stay for a reset form or can he be excused?
I think he needs to stay just so he knows what time to be there and everything.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can talk to him, then he's excused, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I also have Mr. Joaquin Garcia on page 1. I need paperwork for a plea.
Okay.
Okay. And Ms. Middleton, the state is going to be sending you the paperwork.
Thank you.
So you need to send them the email,
Thank you very much.
whoever you conferred with. And I'm going to go ahead and put you in a breakout room so that you can talk to your client. He's in the courtroom. Just give me a minute. So I see that Mr. Morales is back from the breakout room.
Yes, I am back.
Where or?
Yes, Judge, I just talked to Mrs. Ana Sanchez, the prosecutor. Evidently, she is swamped and everybody seems to be getting on the, I guess online to be able to access.
Larry, what case where?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, Judge. It was on page 5, Catherine Contreras, 661129.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And what happened?
Evidently she's having a hard time being able to access for the discovery documents. And she said she didn't know when she could get to me.
Well, has she talked to you?
Yeah, oh yeah, I just visited with her.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I just visited with her.
And okay, we'll reset it for Wednesday. Everybody be back. Is Ms. Contreras on?
Yes, she is, Judge. I think she's on as K iPad.
Okay, then we reset it for Wednesdays so you can get your stuff.
Okay, now that would be tomorrow, Judge?
No, tomorrow's let's make it Thursday.
Okay.
I forgot. I keep thinking today's Monday. All right. Thursday.
So can I be excused now, Judge?
Yes, you're in client excuse.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Michael Goins has arrived.
Yes, I've spoken to the prosecutor. They need to review the file to see if there's any restitution owed.
Okay, then we'll set that for Thursday as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Is your client on?
Your Honor, I have zero contact information for my client.
All right, then it's a bond forfeiture.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's a bond forfeiture now. You don't have to come back Thursday.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sure.
Hey, Mr. Rene Munoz, are you back from conferring?
I am, Milena. Good morning. Good morning, Judge Angelini.
Good morning. Where are you today?
I have Crystal Amatson on page number 2. She is present.
She's a fugitive.
That's incorrect, Judge. Listed on the docket. She reflected
I
as
looked at the docket. It says fugitive. As
I'm
opposed to say it's not.
She's out on bond. She was previously a fugitive. Judge Saldaña recalled the warrant. She does have good bonds on her cases now. So that's an error.
Okay, well, check with the clerk. Have you checked with the clerk this morning?
I looked at the system this morning, Judge. I verified
Check
it.
with the clerks. We check with the clerks right now.
I can check with the clerks. Yes, Judge. I have also another case while I can make that call. Stephanie Hernandez on page 4.
Okay,
And that one is set for a plea, Judge, and all the plea documentation has been executed. We'd like to enter that today.
what's the day? What's the case?
It's a 6-5.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, it's gonna be a plea today?
Yes, Judge, that's correct.
Okay, great.
All right, I'll keep you posted on the.
Yeah, just check to make sure, because right now there's a warrant up for arrest.
Your Honor, if I may, it is a bond. It's been done as a bond, so not a fugitive on our case.
On all 3 of the cases?
Right.
Okay,
Yes, Judge. So since that's been verified by the coordinator, my client does wish to set these matters for trial.
okay, I need a discovery acknowledgement on all the cases.
I requested that from the state. They said that they're having issues with Veripic. I have another court and also a plea later. Can I log in around noon to verify? And can my client be excused?
No, the client's not excused until you get it done.
So you request for us to be on standby? Is that what I'm
Yes,
gathering?
yeah. Nothing's done until it's done.
Okay. Well, I'll have to ask the state if they can get that done this morning, but I will keep the court.
It's gotta be done this morning, or you can't go. And neither can that she.
Okay, well, I'll stay here, Judge. I have no other place I'd rather be, actually, as a matter of fact. So I'll be here. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, the next one would be Mr. Rick Ramos.
Good morning, Judge. I have 3 cases for you. The first one's going to be on page 3. That's Javier Solis Lira, 655722.
Okay.
On that one, Judge, we're just going to need a reset for a trial date. We're not able to reach an agreement.
Okay, I need a discovery acknowledgement done for you. Your client on?
He is on, Your Honor. He's under Javier Solis on the.
Okay, I need a discovery acknowledgement done before you can go.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll be on standby. I'll wait for that.
Okay.
Additionally, Judge, we have on page 6, or may my client be excused while we do the discovery acknowledgement?
No, sir. No one's excused until it's done.
Okay. On page 6, I have Eduardo Rene Rodriguez. That is case number 668444.
Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay.
He's also present, Your Honor. On that case, we had a discovery order that was signed in December. We've still are pending that discovery.
What? Okay, we'll talk about that. Don't anybody leave. Let's figure out what's going on. Why?
Okay, and then on page 6, Judge, I have an inmate. I don't know if he's on. I don't see him, but I can give the court an update. That's 670279 Cliff Thomas Garcia.
They have him on bond here.
He bonded out.
I don't know. The docket shows him on.
Oh, I know what it is, Judge. He might be on bond on these misdemeanors, but he's got a felony.
Okay.
He's in custody.
Okay.
And on the felonies, we have a current mental health evaluation that's being performed based on that, Judge. I think he's.
Okay, let's reset it for 2 weeks.
That's fine, Judge.
Okay. Now, what's the issue? Well, what's the issue with the discovery?
It's a blood discovery order, Judge. I don't know if they've received it. Or I'm sorry, I think it's breath, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, they need to find out if they've got it, if it's been pending that long. Stay on, we'll get them on. They can explain why they haven't done it.
Can Mr. Rodriguez be excused, Your Honor, while we?
No, sir, no one's excused till we finish our business, no one.
All right, Judge, thank you.
And that counts to everybody. Clients and prosecutors and defense attorneys are not excused until we finish the business of the court.
Is that with plea bargains as well, sir? I'm sorry.
Yes, everything.
Okay.
We until we figure out what we're doing for the day, no.
This is Ms. Middleton. Could I be put in the ADA's room to get?
Mr. Joseph Appelt?
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
I have a client named Adriana Vela on page 3. She shows to be a fugitive. I will tell you that I believe she has warrants on her felonies. I have not had any
Please turn herself
contact.
in. Is she on? Ms.
Not to my
Villa?
knowledge, Your Honor, no.
I'm sorry?
Not to my knowledge, Your Honor, no. I have had no contact.
Adriana Villa? Okay, it's a bond forfeiture.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You do.
Okay, Miss Mary Petrashik is back from conferring.
Yes, Judge. Well, I was conferring with my client. She's on page, oh gosh, page 6, Ms. Kayla William Lee. I called the clerk and confirmed with them that she did get processed through satellite, and so there is no longer a warrant. And I think they had given her a court date of March 22nd.
That's correct.
Okay, then we set it for March 22nd.
Thank you, Judge. May she be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. And then if I could confer with the state on Mr. Abdelmasia.
Okay, Mr. Bobby Barrera has returned from conferring.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. I've got Ryan Murphy on page 7, 672755. I've conferred with Ms. Sanchez. She is, I'm asking for 2 weeks. She needs time to see if Mr. Murphy qualifies for pretrial diversion due to some mental health issues.
I'll give you till Thursday.
Thursday.
They can find out if you.
Okay. Well, I'm just trying to help Karina, but I
It's
will.
not your job to help her. It's not your
Okay.
job.
Thank you, Judge. I'll see you all Thursday. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Raymond Vale.
Morning, Judge. I have Cia Moreno. She's on the Zoom, Judge. I need to visit with Karina if I could, the 88.
What page are you on?
I'm not sure on the page, Judge. It's
What's
case
the
number
number?
661040.
6610. Okay. 661040.
Yes, sir. On Sierra Moreno.
Oh, yeah, okay, I got it. No,
Thank you,
need
sir.
to- Is she on?
She is, Judge.
Okay, that's fine. Sure.
Elena, can you put me on a breakout room with Mr. Gabriel Diaz? You sent me to the wrong Gabriel. It was Gabriel Chavez.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Let me see. Gabriel Diaz.
Miss
When
Leadens,
you get a chance, can you go into a breakout room? I just need to talk to you very quickly.
and I'll go with her, please. This is Sunny.
Hold on. All right. Mr. Valdez, you've already been put in, and the next one is Mr. Joe Stenberg.
Yes, sir.
Howdy.
Hi.
If my client is present on Zoom, and may I be placed in a breakout room with a kind, forgiving ADA?
There's only one, so there you go.
Okay, Mr. Stenberg.
This is Sunny. Can I have an 88 to request paperwork?
Okay, Ms. Middleton, I'm going to need to put you in a breakout room so that you could get in line. Let me see.
And also the judge gave me a 10-day reset on Mr. Alaquinez. He wants him to sign it, so
10 days.
yes.
Yes.
So we need a reset for him, please. He's in the courtroom.
Okay, Mr. Javier Garcia, are you back from conferring, sir?
No, I'm still in line.
Pleasure.
You're still in line to confer?
Yes.
Your Honor, since I have finished, may I please be excused?
Yes.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Alida, whenever you're ready, I can make an announcement.
The case.
Judge, I have 4 of them. I have 663-196, Luis Alberto Silva. We would ask to be put on the jury docket for that, please.
All right, you need a discovery acknowledgement before you can go.
We'll get that, Judge. Judge, my client is here. Can he be excused?
No, sir, no client is excused.
Okay.
No client for anybody is excused until they finish what they need to do.
Okay. Judge, I also have 639-405, Juan Garcia Galarraza.
Wait a
Judge,
minute. Hold on, let me find it. What was the number again?
639-405, Juan Garcia Galarraza.
639, hold on. Okay, I got it.
Judge, we'd like to do that as a plea. However, I was told by the ADA that I have to go and acquire the Spanish documents, Judge, from the court. They don't have them via either through the e-sign. So
They're on the Zoom
Yeah, I was just gonna say, you get on the Zoom and print them out.
From Zoom?
Yeah, on the Zoom link that Ms. Castillo sent.
Okay.
Look on there. But we can reset it. It's for a plea. We'll set it for Friday.
For Friday, Judge? And it's going to be...
Oh, no, I'm sorry, not Friday, Thursday.
Okay, Judge, we'll need a Spanish interpreter for that, Judge.
Yeah, okay. Make sure, remind Ms. Castillo of that. Get all the email.
We'll do that, Judge. We'll give an email to her as well.
I think if you go to the link, you can get all that stuff done. Anyway.
Okay, Judge.
Go from there.
Then I have...
for Thursday.
Thank you, Judge. Then
Okay.
Jimena Valdez, that's the one who I told you was sick, so we'll be back tomorrow for that, Judge.
Okay.
And then I have Mr. Brian Samano Ponce, and he had...
What page? Where?
I think that's on the first page, Judge.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
He's got 3 cases, Judge. On that one, we would actually set him the trial docket as well.
Okay, is he on?
He's online, Judge.
Okay, then I need discovery acknowledgement for all of them.
Will do, Judge. All right, thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, on Christopher Medina, we're gonna try to
What
do a
page?
plea.
Whoa.
Page 6,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Page 6, 669386.
Okay, I found it.
Judge, I don't know if you want us, the prosecutor's kind of backlogged with people, but I don't know if you want us to wait to do the plea, or we can come back Thursday and do the plea.
No, hopefully we'll have a prosecutor show up, the other one. So wait.
Your Honor.
Huh?
We've got the other prosecutor.
Okay, and then one of them can do the plea paperwork.
I guess if we can connect me with one, I'll speak to him again, Ms. Castillo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alita, this is ADA Sanchez. I need to go into a breakout with you briefly.
Okay.
On a scheduling issue.
Put Mr. Vargas back on.
Judge, you might address the court, please.
Yes.
Judge, on page 5 and 6, Mr. Gabriel Diaz.
Okay.
667-525, and I believe it's 27.
Yes, sir. I got him.
Okay. On his felony case, Judge, a strangulation, they've hired Anthony Miller on that, and he doesn't want him to do anything on these cases. Maybe he can plea him out, but his court date is not set till May 2nd, I believe I told the court.
No. I'm not gonna reset it that long. So he needs to figure out what to do. I'll reset it for a week. and figure out what you're gonna do. I'm not resetting it forever. Because they may never get around to it in that court. What court is it in anyway?
It's out of the 226, Judge.
All right, they're gonna have to work on it there, or he's gonna have to work on it. And we're gonna do something with these.
Okay, Judge. And may I speak briefly to one of the ADAs just to get some notes on this? Alina?
Sure.
So 1 week on this, Judge?
Yes, so we can find out what you're gonna do on the felony. 'Cause they may not get around it for 3 years. No,
Right, and that's Mr. Miller's thing, Judge, so they hired him on that.
I understand. Just tell him, I'm not gonna reset it forever. So there you go.
Okay.
You might have to go to trial and he's just.
If I may, later. Gentleman listed his iPhone in the pink shirt riding in the vehicle. Please pull your car over for that safety of you and that of people around you. Pull your car over, sir. Pink shirt, listed his iPhone. Thank you.
Mr. Brooks, you want to talk or not?
Yes, Judge, I was just going to give you an announcement on Sarah Brown. It's one of the cases at the top of page 3.
Okay.
And I've got a new offer from the state today.
Okay.
I expect that we'll work it out based on that, based on my conversations with my client. So I just need a date for that, Judge.
All right, Thursday.
Thursday it is. And may I go into a breakout room with Miss Sursa as well? I'm sorry, with Miss Brown.
Sure.
Yeah, hold on for a second. Sarah Brown, can't find you, Sarah Brown.
I'm right here. It's under Sarah
Oh,
Ashley.
Sarah Ashley. Okay, very good.
Ms. Castillo, I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll be right back.
Go ahead, Your Honor.
Aleda, Mary Petrusik, can I go to a breakout room with the state if they're available?
Yes, by the way.
Can I speak to somebody?
What is your name, sir?
Daniel Magana.
Okay, hold on.
And George Dillon is my attorney.
Who?
George Dillon.
Dylan George?
Yes.
Okay,
And when
so
they
he
call
probably is in another court. Just be patient. We'll be with you. Oh, there he is, Mr.
I'm
George.
here, Judge.
Sorry, it's Aleda. The judge stepped out for a minute. Mr. George, did you need to confer with the state?
Yes, please.
Alida?
Be right with you. Okay, Gail. How are you doing?
Like, am I
Ms. Calderola?
Hi, Lita, how you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am.
I'm here for Kimberly Chapman, and her case number is 636116. And I have no contact information from her. I was just wondering if she was present. This is my first appearance.
Kimberly
Kimberly Chapman.
There's an Alyssa Chapman. That's not Kimberly Chapman?
Kimberly, well, is that case number? I can give you the case 636116. I have Kimberly Chapman on my court sheet.
No, that's not me. My attorney is Joe Stenberg.
Okay. All right, Ms. Coloradola. Yeah. Ms. Coloradola, just wait till Judge Angelini comes in and you can make your announcement with him and see what he needs to do with that, okay? Just be patient. She'll be with you shortly.
Okay, I just have to go to some other courts. Can I come back and do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Matthew Finch,
Good morning, Aleda. How are you doing?
good morning. Case number?
671-585 for Connor Cummings. I think he should be on the screen. I see his name.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay, good. And did you need to confer with the state?
Let me confer briefly. This is likely going to be a plea. I don't know if we have time to do it this morning, but we might need a quick reset to set that up. But I'll
If you
confer
have-
with the state.
Yes, please. Maybe we can get the paperwork ready. Okay, here you go.
Ms. Castillo, this is Tim Roundtree. I was waiting in the breakout room. I didn't see Karina, but I've already conferred. I just need the discovery acknowledgement. Do you happen to know if she knows that we need those?
I do not have a clue. You would have to talk to the state, and Mr. King is there. Maybe he can send you the acknowledgement.
Wonderful.
Well, our issue is that there's only a certain amount of licenses for office, and people are really excited about Veripic this morning. I'm taking it because they're all used. So we are waiting, so those licenses are available, and then we will send the discovery acknowledgements as soon as possible. And meanwhile, we are conferring with a bunch of people that are still in breakout rooms that are waiting for our attention. So.
All right. Well, I just want to be on the list for the discovery acknowledgement when you can.
All right, we will get that to you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Judge, I want to address the court.
What day do you want to bring them back in with this acknowledgement? How long will it take, 2 days, 3 days?
Should be done today. They have to wait on until it's done. It can
Mr.
get
King?
done today.
Aleda, we should be able to get those in the next few hours. I'm thinking like 2 or 3. I don't know if it's gonna be like in 15 minutes. It could be, but again, there's still a lot of people in the breakout rooms too that we're kind of going through, and then meanwhile we're checking and seeing when Veripic is going to let us actually access it.
Okay, well, wait around. Let's see what we can do.
And Judge, if I may, on Mr. Gabriel Diaz, we're going to recall this in a week. I just spoke to Anthony Miller, Judge. He says he's going to go try and talk to you at the courthouse if you're there.
I'm not here.
Okay.
Not
So
there.
you have to track you down.
Mhm.
All right, Judge. Well, Elena will send us a setting for a week or.
Set it for a week. You can go see if we can work it out. If we can't, we'll worry about it then. We'll set it for trial then.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Mhm.
May we both be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, this is Albert Flores.
Okay.
We're done conferring. We're waiting on the discovery acknowledgement. Can my client be released?
No, sir. I don't know if everybody heard this. No client is released. No client is released until everything that needs to be done is done. That means the discovery acknowledgement and the rest.
Okay, we're waiting on that, and I'm gonna check out. I've got another court to check into.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Taylor Wood.
Yes, Judge, I'm back from conferring on Diego Wright.
Okay, hold
I think it was page 5.
on. Okay, yeah, it was.
We were trying to figure out if the state could do a motion to suppress next Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
They said they're already full of motion to suppress settings that day.
What full? How many do they have?
Aleda might know.
Miss
Let me see.
Sanchez, are you there? Corina Sanchez or Jeffrey King? Get them on.
Let me see. We have one, Your Honor.
Well, they can do 2.
Okay, we do have one
Okay.
already set at 1:30.
Well, let's do them in the morning. Set them both at noon. Both of them.
Okay. All right,
I'll
so
come in
you'll be
person.
at 1:30 as well?
On both, set them at noon, on both of them at noon at the same time. And we'll do one and then we'll
Okay.
do the other. Neither one of them will take an hour.
Okay.
Miss Wood, we're gonna set it Diego Wright for at noon on Tuesday of next week.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Thank you, Aleda.
Thank you. And Mr. Andrew Priest is back from conferring.
Yes, sir.
Morning, Judge. I was back on Jennifer Morales, 660718 on page 4. We've conferred. Ms. Sanchez was asking if we could have a brief reset. I think we are close to having an agreement. She was going to review the case for a obstruction deferred. And there had been an issue pertaining to a body cam video from the arresting officer. That's sort of what the delay was. We have received that video, but I think she would like to review it to see if
Okay, she's got till Thursday morning. I know what.
Thursday morning.
Thursday.
Okay.
We set it for Thursday.
Okay, we will be back, Judge. Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'll see you on Thursday.
And Your Honor, I believe Mr. Carpenter is still here. His case was reset for tomorrow. This is on Rodolfo Cepeda, the attorney.
Okay.
Paul Carpenter, so he's still there. He's in custody.
Okay, he can go be back tomorrow.
Okay, Mr. Carpenter, we'll see you tomorrow. Looks like Mr. Valley is back from conferring.
Morning, Judge.
Who's speaking? Oh,
Yes, Judge, this is Raymond Vale.
yeah, yes, sir.
I'm calling, I guess I'm on here on Sierra Moreno, Judge. They're tendering a dismissal. You should be getting it in your inbox for that case.
Okay, I'll look and see. I don't think it's come in, but I'll look.
Your Honor, could I get back in line to confer? This is Doug Kampmeyer. I came back. I've been waiting for the juvenile and they haven't come on. So I've been trying to bounce around.
Sure. Mr. Mr. Vale, I signed your dismissal just now.
Thank
You and your
Judge.
client are free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good morning. Take care.
You too.
Miss Alita, are you here?
I am.
Hi, this is Sunny. Can we get a 10-day reset on Robert Alaconis in the courtroom?
Okay, 10 days, we'll bring you back.
Page 8.
Let's come to March the 2nd. Can we do that?
Yeah. Well, he said 10 days because I was appointed today. So could we do
Oh, okay. Sure. Let me go ahead and give you March 15.
March 15th? Okay. Is there a clerk in the courtroom that can give him a reset? The judge wanted him to sign it.
March 15, I'll send it to the bailiff. The bailiff will give it to you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
As soon as he signs, I'll let him know he can be excused.
Done already.
Okay, Mr. Vargas, are you back from conferring?
No, actually, I came back to let you know, I haven't had no prosecutors connected with me yet. I'm trying to see what the status is.
Okay, they are still conferring. Let me put you closer to them. Hold on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, if I may report back,
Who's speaking?
Douglas Capmeyer. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
They said they needed some time to get an offer together, and
What
I was
do they
instructed
need?
that you might bring us back this week.
Why would they need time?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Prosecution, let me talk to them. Why do they need time?
They need to review the file. I think they said that. And
Well, they haven't reviewed anything prior to today? What have they been doing for 2.5 years?
this case was probably just set last week. I just got it. I don't know why it waited so
All right,
long.
we'll be back tomorrow, Wednesday. Is your client on?
Jonathan, are you on?
Yeah. Ferreira. Jonathan Ferreira. It's a bond forfeiture.
I'll get him back. I'll try to find him and get him in, Judge.
All right, it's a bond forfeiture right now. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Baltazar, are you,
Sorry about that, Judge. This is Walter Stern. I'm on the line. Want to see if I could visit with a prosecutor on Laura Brego.
What page is it on? What number is it? Tell me something.
Let me check you out, Judge.
Oh, I got it here. Okay.
Okay.
You want to, is Laura Abrego on?
She should be, Judge. She's been on since 10 this morning.
Laura Abrego?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. You confer with him, please.
So you'll no, I want to, yeah. You put me in a prosecutor's breakout room, correct?
Yeah, you're in line.
Okay.
Judge, you need to speak to the state briefly. This is ADA Sanchez, sir.
Why do you need time to make an offer on that case?
Judge, I need to verify whether or not there is restitution. This is a failure to stop and give information over 200 damages. I need to contact the victim and see if the insurance has paid for that. If not, what the restitution amount is. And if that is the case, then if the defendant would be willing to do upfront restitution or if that needs to be made part of the actual plea agreement.
It doesn't matter. I make it upfront restitution, always.
Understood, sir. I just need to make a rip call to
Okay, well, you got till tomorrow, so work on it tonight.
Thanks so much.
Excuse me, hello?
Hello?
Yes, it's Bassam Abdel Masih. I've been here with Mrs. Mary Patrizik, so I want to make sure everything is clear and she know I'm here.
Okay, we'll tell her.
yeah, she's conferring.
Thank you.
Miss Alita?
Yes.
Hi, the clerks are, I guess, waiting for you to email them a reset form for Mr. Alaquinez to sign in the courtroom.
I sent it to the deputy
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
and he should get it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. They're at the courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, if you have a second. There's deputy in the courtroom.
Yes, sir.
I have an Anthony Miller, counselor for Gabriel Diaz.
Okay.
He would like to speak to you concerning an outstanding felony on that gentleman.
Figure out a way to put me in a room with him. I'd be glad to.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, well,
You want him in a break room, sir?
I don't know how to do it.
I can put you in a breakout room, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anything I need to do?
Just turn that mic off, yeah. Just hit the button.
Butler, I'm putting him in a breakout room.
Ma'am.
Yes, here you go.
Give us a breakout room.
Yes, sir. Do you need your mic, sir?
You can just leave it there. That's don't have an invite yet, or later.
Later, I jumped out of the breakout room because Karina was in there, but then she dropped off. I think she tried to jump in and then fell off.
Back in there. Let's see.
Is she in with somebody else or?
No, she's by herself right now. Let me go ahead and put you in with her.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get Mr. Baltasar, did you get that breakout room?
I'm gonna hit the join breakout room right now.
Okay, very good.
Room
Ms.
21.
Joan Eagle?
Yes, Aleda.
I have a judge right now conferring with another lawyer, but did you need to confer with the state?
Yes, I did.
Okay, very good. I'll go ahead and put you in a breakout room right now.
Aleda, before you do that, can you tell me if Alicia Davis or Joe Duran are there?
Alyssa, I got an Alyssa Chapman, Joe Duran. No, I don't think so. Mr. Duran? And
He usually-
Alyssa?
Mr. Duran usually goes in person.
Okay. Okay, so I think Deputy Butler is Mr. Duran there. I don't think he is. I've got another gentleman, but belongs to Miss Sunny Middleton.
Okay.
And Judge Angelini is right now in a breakout room, but he'll come in if you need to request something else from him.
Okay, no, if you, I just wondered if those two defendants were there. So if you want to put me in a breakout room with the prosecutor, that would.
All right, very good.
Barry. Barry, stop.
No, it's still on. Where's her bottle? She wants to. Lay her down on the sofa. I did. She doesn't want it. Put her in her chair. Look. Where's her chair? Put her in her chair over there.
Stephanie, if you could please mute yourself. Thank you. Just be patient. Please just mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Matthew, what are you up to?
Judge, I've conferred with my client, the DA. We have an offer on the table. I'd like to plea it. I don't know if we're going to end up having time today.
Can you do it today, this afternoon, and do it in the morning, or a Thursday? Which one?
I could do it Thursday, Judge.
All right, we'll set you for Thursday for a plea.
Okay, Judge, thank you. Can I be put in a breakout room with my client real quickly as well?
Sure.
Connor Cummings, thank you.
Your Honor, this is Sunny.
Yes, ma'am.
We are on page 1, Mr. Joaquin Garcia. Waiting for plea paperwork, but she's the only one here. If you would like, we could come back this afternoon to plea.
No. If it's at noon, yeah, fine, but not till then.
I'm sorry, if it's at noon.
Yeah, noon.
Your Honor, this is Javier Garcia. May I approach?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I conferred with the state regarding Mary Ramos. The cause number is 663-274.
Okay, wait a minute. 663. Let me
Two.
find, hold on. Okay,
And the state, we're still trying to get the stopping video, Your Honor. We requested that. They're going to look into it as well as review the case for an offer.
okay, come back Thursday.
Yes, Your Honor.
You and your client, both.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Hi,
Can we
Judge.
Thank you.
Judge Walter Stern, I'm back from the breakout room.
Okay,
So Karina Sanchez just needs to review the video. My client was below the legal limit, so she's considering my actions for dismissal. And so if you can give her a couple days or a week.
no. Tomorrow.
Well then,
See y'all tomorrow.
okay, what time, Judge? 10?
Talk to Miss Castillo. She'll put you on the, no, yeah, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Calderola, you're back, and did you need to confer with the state?
I just, I don't think my client is there, but I will confer with them. I'd just like to make an announcement to the court.
Okay, hi Gail, what's up?
How are you doing? It's good to see you. I have Kimberly Chapman. It's case number 636116.
Yes, ma'am.
And my first appearance, I have no contact information for her. She's got a PR bond and I've reached out to them, but I haven't received a response yet. So I
It's
just.
a bond forfeiture, don't worry about it.
All right.
All right.
Can I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon.
I have Christopher Medina on page 6. I conferred with the state. We reached a plea agreement, and I forward the plea paperwork to Ms. Castillo's email address.
Okay, great. We all get it.
Thank you.
Would that be the Spanish version, Mr. Vargas?
No, English. He's an English speaker.
Okay, so the state is the one that sends you the paperwork. Did you manually put it? Did you manually sign it? Is that what you're saying? You're muted.
Yeah, we manually signed it. My client said he signed it. We scanned it. He followed it back to your email address.
Would this be this morning?
I just did it 2 minutes ago, or a minute ago.
All right, good. Well, let me look into it and I will forward it on to the judge for signature.
Thank you.
Judge, this is Elizabeth Russell. May I approach?
Where are you, Ms. Russell? Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I'm here on Raul Zepeda. Aleda.
Whoa. What page? Where?
I don't know if it's on the docket, Judge.
Okay.
So it was an MTR that we disposed of in November. We were reset for today because there's been some issues with GPS, not my client's fault at all. And the state has agreed to modify the agreement and the MTR to judgment satisfied. Aleda, can you help me here? I don't know what we need to do.
I don't even know what you're talking about, so.
I don't. It's
Sorry, I was trying to look for an email Mr. Vargas sent me. Can you repeat that again? I am so sorry.
It's okay. I'm here on Raul Zepeda. In November of 2021, we proceeded on a motion to revoke probation on Mr. Zepeda. He was sentenced to GPS. There was an issue getting the order to GPS in time, and Mr. Zepeda was not able to do the GPS. We came back on a different date and asked the judge to modify it. And we're trying to get we've gotten a different agreement. And so Aleda, you gave us today to come and to finish the MTR.
Okay, if it's a different agreement, is there a different order that needs to be signed by the judge?
Well, it's going to be a judgment satisfied instead, Aleda.
Okay, so we will need some JSAD paperwork from the state?
I guess I've been emailing
or probation department.
I've been emailing everyone, telling them that we were going to appear today because that was the plan, and no one has responded back to me.
Okay, Ms. Russell, it sounds like they're gonna reopen the motion to revoke probation, and then you're gonna plead true, and then I'm gonna make a decision on that, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I need your client, I need the motion to revoke, and everybody put everything on the record, what happened before, and then I'll either go along with what y'all agreed or I won't.
That sounds great, Judge. And I'm pretty sure my client is here. It's Raul Zepeda.
Yeah, he raised his hand. He looks like he's in a car.
Raul Zepeda.
Yes, he has the white shirt on. It says iPhone 13.
Okay, very good.
So Judge, I think the issue is here is the court directive never got sent over by the clerks, and it passed that 30 days. So I guess we can reopen it.
Yeah, and either give him more time or not, and then whatever it doesn't really matter.
Yeah,
if they reached a different agreement, we can kind of reopen the whole thing. I don't know.
Okay.
We reached a different agreement with Karina Sanchez.
Okay, well, get her on, get me the MTR. Can't do anything without the MTR.
I'll send that to you right now, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Corey.
You're welcome.
Ms. Russell, you dealing with Ms. Sanchez or Mr. King?
Ms. Sanchez, Judge.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Who's speaking?
Dylan George or
Yes,
Daniel
sir.
Magana.
Okay, on what case?
Daniel Magana.
What page? Or what number? Okay, I found it. Never mind.
And Your Honor, that one's a pre-MTR where the probation department request like a compliance. So the probation department officer would be there, Mr. Corey.
Okay.
All right, Judge, on this case, it was sent in as a supplemental report, so there's not an MTR on file. It's a matter of the defendant refusing SATF and wanting to do, I think, intensive outpatient treatment, but never signed up for an intensive outpatient treatment.
Was SATF ordered?
It was a TAP recommendation.
Okay, well, it needs to be ordered. All right, then we'll set it for a hearing. We'll let him and everybody talk about what needs to be done. So what was it then? It was he was already found guilty. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, yes. And the TAP evaluations ordered this, and he doesn't agree with it, right?
Yes, that's
Mr.
correct.
Dillon, all right, and Mr. Dillon, let's set for a hearing tomorrow morning and have your client on. You can make your argument. State can make their argument, and we'll go from there.
You say tomorrow morning, Judge?
Yeah, tomorrow. You and the state can make arguments about what you want after the TAP out. And Corey, tomorrow morning, send me the what the TAP evaluation was. Send it to me, and then everybody can make their arguments.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Right, Judge, may I approach Oscar Hernandez?
Yes, sir. What case, Oscar?
639431, Joe Anthony Martinez.
Okay.
Judge, this is a case. It says it's an evading arrest detention. My client is unaware of any such case. You go on to e-discovery that says there is no paperwork for this. And if you go into the Bexar County online, it does say entered in error.
Okay. I don't. Well, then they need to dismiss it or something.
Yeah, that's why we're here. I just wanted somebody to look at that so they can review it for.
Well, as the state, have you talked to him today? Oscar, did you talk to him this morning?
No, not yet, Judge.
All right, talk to him right now, and maybe they'll do it. If not, we'll set it for a hearing tomorrow morning. They can explain to me what's going on.
Thank you.
Judge, may I approach? This is Matthew Finch.
Yes, sir.
Judge, my client is Connor Cummings on page 7, the first one. We were going to reset it for a plea on Thursday. My client is willing to do that. If we could be excused to get that plea done, I will email the coordinator and Karina my client's email address.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, Judge. We'll see y'all Thursday morning.
Okay.
Hi,
Judge.
Judge. This is Stacy Kraus.
Just a second, Ms. Cross. 1 second. Is Miss Echo on? I got a dismissal. All right. What is it, Mr. Cross? Go ahead, please.
Yes, Judge, I have 2 clients on the docket today. I'm sorry, I got stuck in other courts and I still have to go back to County Court 11. But but I do need to talk. I guess the prosecutor's moved around. So I know there's a new prosecutor and I need to figure out who that is so I can send them this email that I had sent the previous one.
It's Marina Sanchez and Jeffrey King.
Okay. I will email that to them now.
Is that on Graciela Rodriguez? Or?
That would be on Mark's case. On Graciella's, we have an agreement with the state. It just requires her to do a couple things ahead of time. We're still working on those things.
Okay, what needs to be done?
Classes, Judge.
All right, well, let's reset it for 1 week. She needs to at least be in them by then.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Okay, and what was the other one?
Mark Ariano.
What number? Where is it?
He's 651607 is his case number.
It's 51?
651607.
Okay. What are you doing on that? I'm sorry.
I'm going to be sending that email to them because I'm still missing some discovery on that. And I can come back and talk to them after I'm done with 11 if you'd like, Judge.
Yes, I would. Is it Ariano on?
Yes, both of my clients are here.
Okay, we'll reset it for 1 week. But I want you back on, talk to them about what you need, okay?
Okay, thank you. And both of them are excused, Judge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Judge,
Just a second. Yes.
yes, Chris Medina, Your Honor, I think the paperwork's ready to go forward on the plea this morning.
Okay, I haven't gotten it yet, so. I'm waiting on it. I have not gotten it.
Mr. Vargas, I'm working on it right this second. Okay, I'm trying to do two
Okay.
things at one time.
I understand.
Please
Thank
be
you.
patient.
I understand. Thank you.
Judge, this is Tim Roundtree. Can I approach?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I have a discovery acknowledgement. I signed it a few minutes ago. It may have come to you.
It has what case?
That's on, you want Angela Bonicelli, 660278 on page 4.
Yes, I just got it. Well, hold on. Hold on. What? Yes, sir. You can go. Thank you. Got it.
Thank you, Judge. Well, and Judge, we need to put on the trial docket if we could.
Yeah. Put it
Okay.
on the trial
Thank you.
docket. Talk to Ms. Castillo about that.
Would be March 28th.
Thank you.
Your Honor, it's Brenda Levenstein.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Antonio de la Peña, 677600. Earlier, I said I couldn't.
Hold on. Let me find it. Okay, I got it.
All right, he's on now. So
Okay.
you don't need to issue a bond forfeiture.
Okay, so what are you doing on your case?
I'd like to confer with the state.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes.
Judge, I have an update on one of my cases for you on page 6. It's cause number 668444, Eduardo Rodriguez.
Okay.
I conferred with the state. That's the discovery issue that you asked.
Record.
Yes, they said they needed time to send it out still, Judge. I don't know how you want to handle that.
You haven't sent it out yet? When did you request it?
This was signed, I requested on December 16th and it was signed by Judge Saldaña December 17th.
Okay, they better get on you need to file a motion for speedy trial, and they're gonna have hell getting past it. We can have the hearing by next Monday or Tuesday.
I'll have it filed this.
Should have been on this months ago.
I'll have it filed this afternoon, Your Honor.
Okay. File it and then see me tomorrow, and maybe we can give you a hearing Monday or Tuesday. So they can explain why they haven't done it.
Yes, Your Honor. Can Mr. Rodriguez be excused?
Yes, sir.
I'll let him know. Thank you, Judge. Mr. Rodriguez, I'll call you this afternoon.
Judge, this is Joanne Akel. May I approach?
Yes, ma'am. I dismissed your case a few minutes ago.
Okay, well, I had two others.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. What
Right,
number?
Judge. I have Alasia Davis.
What page, name?
Oh, okay, well, I'll get back with you when I have that written down, Judge, okay? I'll let you deal with somebody else while I look it
I
up.
have like 15 pages here. That's why.
I'll find it, Judge.
Okay.
I'll get back with you.
Okay.
Morning, how are you all?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is something going on? Can I announce? When you are recognized.
Who's talking?
Douglas Capmeyer.
Okay, yes, sir.
We had a client who didn't show up this morning for the Zoom, and I got a hold of him this morning. He's supposed to be logged in now. It was on a Jonathan Ferreira.
Ferreira, are you on, Mr. Ferreira? Jonathan Ferreira. Where are you?
Sorry, Your Honor, I thought he was logged in. I'll come back in when I find him.
Okay.
I did speak to him, Your Honor.
Judge, this is Joanne Akel. I have the page numbers for those cases.
Okay, shoot.
All right, page 8, Judge, case number 677701, Alasia Davis. And I'm not sure if she showed up, Judge. Does the
Alasia Davis, are you there? Alasia Davis? Okay, it's a bond forfeiture. Okay.
Okay, Judge, and then I have one other one. That is page 3, 650631. The prosecutor is going to dismiss this case if my client takes a class, so I just need some time for him to take the class.
All right, we'll reset it for 1 week so he can register for the class. Make sure he's registered in 1 week.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Judge Oscar Hernandez, I'm back to report.
Okay, what's up?
639431, Joe Anthony Martinez.
Okay.
They've just emailed you a motion to dismiss. The charge was entered in error, Judge.
Okay, great. Even better.
Even better.
Let me look and see if I got it. Hold on. Yeah, I got it just now. You might file a motion to have it expunged. It's just going to show up on his record.
Okay, I will explain that to him. Absolutely. Thank you, Judge.
Mhm.
May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
And Your Honor, I have forwarded you the plea paperwork on Mr. Medina with Mr. Robert
I got
Docket.
it right now. I'm looking at it. All right, I'm ready on Mr. Medina. If somebody from the state is ready and somebody, and the court reporter is ready.
Okay, let me get one of them.
Judge, I'm just checking to see if you got my plea papers yet.
Who's your plea?
Medina,
Yes,
Christopher.
I got it. I'm ready to do the plea if we can find a prosecutor.
Okay,
State's ready.
my client's ready too, Your Honor.
The state, where's the state?
State's ready.
We're on, Chris.
All right, this is cause number 669-386, State of Texas versus Christopher Joe Medina. Are you Christopher Joe Medina?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, are you the same Mr. Medina who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated? Is that you?
Yes, sir, that's me.
All right. Mr. Vargas, have you received everything you think you're entitled to?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Medina, I have some papers here from your attorney, the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this case if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
All right. How do you plead to this offense, sir?
No contest, sir.
You understand no contest plea doesn't help. It has the same legal effect as a guilty plea in misdemeanor court. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So knowing that, do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to find this plea voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
Your Honor, the state's recommendation is a $400 fine. The state has agreed to probate $200 of that fine with court costs, 14 months deferred adjudication, the DWI education course, uimpact.com, a tap.
What was the second after DWI education?
uimpact.com, Your Honor.
UM?
Uimpact, YOUIMPACT.com course,
Okay.
a tap evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 50 hours, that's 50 hours of community service, and restitution, if any, to be determined by CSCD.
No, I don't do that. I want restitution up front. I want to know what it is.
Judge, we've reached out to the complaining victim on this. We do not have a restitution amount at this time.
All right, I'm not going to do the plea until
My client did have insurance and it was a very minor.
Okay. That still doesn't tell me anything. They need to call complainant, so we can do this plea tomorrow.
Mr. Vargas, if you could just send me the insurance information.
Okay.
And reach out to your complaint and make sure they've gotten it. All right.
Can we be excused?
Yes, sir. Till come back tomorrow morning and hopefully we'll have the information. We can do your plea then. Finish it up.
All right, thank you. Bye.
I have here Stephanie Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here on her behalf. She's online as well.
Okay, so, this cause number 657872. Are you Stephanie Hernandez?
Unmute yourself, please.
Where
I'm
are
here,
you?
sir. Thank you.
Okay, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
Cool. Are you say Ms. Hernandez, possession of controlled substance? Is that you?
yes,
Ms. Munoz, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under the discovery rules? Ms.
That's-
Hernandez, you need to stay on.
That's, that's correct, Judge. I believe we're in receipt of everything we're entitled to.
Okay, state, have you complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Hernandez, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
yes, I have.
Have you signed these papers?
I believe so.
Well, you either did or you didn't. I don't know.
Remember, Ms. Fernandez, you received paperwork from the court. I went over with you, executed it through email, correct?
Oh, okay, yes, you're right. Yes, you're right, sir. Sorry about that.
All right. When you read and signed these papers, you understand that you're telling me that you understand what you're charged with and you understand what could happen to you if you end up pleading. Did you
Yes,
know?
sir.
Did you know you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this case if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up your rights?
No, sir.
All right. How do you plead to this charge?
No contest.
All right. Do you understand a no contest plea? Misdemeanor court doesn't help. It has the same meaning as a guilty plea. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find a plea voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
Recommendation, Your Honor, is a $250 fine. The state has agreed to probate the entire fine of $250 with court costs. 3 months deferred adjudication. 24 hours of community service. A DOEP course. And regular UAs.
Mr. Munoz?
That is our understanding of the agreement, Judge.
I'm not gonna give her a fine at all. She has
Okay.
to pay court costs, 3 months of deferred adjudication, 24 hours of community service, the DOEP course, and regular UAs. Good luck to you, Ms. Hernandez. You need
Thank
to
you, sir.
stay on and talk to the probation officer so you understand what your obligations are.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Judge, when the court is ready, I think we're ready to proceed on that MTR that's at issue.
Raul Cepeda?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. This is cause number 558783. State versus Raul Cepeda. Are you Raul Cepeda?
Your Honor.
Okay. Are you the same Mr. Cepeda who's on probation for DWI, was placed on probation on February 8, 2018 for a period of 16 months? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
The state has made some allegations that you violated your probation. They're going to read them to you. And after they do so, you need to enter a plea of true or not true.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead, state.
Yes, Judge, the state is proceeding on a violation of condition number 13. That on or about the 27th day of September, 2018 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Raul Alberto Cepeda, did then and there operate a motor vehicle without a valid Texas driver's license in violation of condition number 13.
How do you plead to that, sir? True or not true?
True.
You understand, sir, that if you plead true to that, based on your plea of true alone, I can send you to jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that could happen, do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'll find it is true. Go ahead, state.
Yes, Judge, the state would move to revoke probation with a $0 fine and court costs 1 day in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, between money to concurrently. And if it pleases the court, this would satisfy the judgment.
Okay, is that your understanding, Ms. Russell, the recommendation?
It is, Judge. Do you need me to give you some history on the prior MTR? Or are you okay moving forward
I'm
without that?
okay with it. I'm gonna fine, I'm not gonna, there's no fine, sir. Here to pay court costs, 1 day in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, have the money and time run together, and your judgment is satisfied. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
May I approach, Judge?
Just a second, you can. Okay, who needed?
Your Honor, Dylan George again on Daniel Magana. On
Yes,
page
sir.
2.
Okay.
After speaking with my client, he's agreed to SATIF.
I'm sorry?
He agreed to attend SATIF.
Okay, then do the, have him sign the papers and we'll go from there.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Tanisha Taylor has arrived, Your Honor.
Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor. Tanisha Taylor, I apologize. This link somehow went to my spam. I am here.
Okay. And what we're gonna do, is your client on?
I have not been able to contact this client. So
It's a bond forfeiture, not a problem. Is Stephanie Carmona on? Okay. it's a bond-
I'm here.
Okay, there you go. You can
Can
found
I-
it.
I've been here since this morning.
I'm sorry?
can I possibly get a breakout room? for the
Yes.
client? Thank you.
Ms. Livingston, did you need to make an announcement?
I do, yes.
What's up?
Okay, so this is case number 677600, Antonio de la Peña. And he's on. I conferred with the state and they haven't looked at the case yet, and really I haven't either. I'm trying to download the offense report as we speak, but e-discovery is not working.
Okay, be back tomorrow. Both of y'all.
Thank
Client
you.
And defense attorney.
Okay, Mr. De La Peña, did you hear that? Okay.
Your Honor, if I may, this is a month-old case, like brand new filed. Not much is going to be changed in a month, or not a month, in a day.
Well, work on it. See what you can do. Find out why. It's got to be something somewhere.
All right, thank you.
Isn't that right? Why would they arrest somebody if they don't have anything? Why would you file an information against someone if you haven't gotten anything?
But again, a month time from the file to any kind of plea or anything else like that is a
Why
very
couldn't
short
you
amount
do
of
it the
time.
next day? If they did it on one day, they have it.
Right. But again,
look
defense
for 'em.
attorney and everybody would need to review the discovery
I understand.
and
Get it
reconsider
to
an
'em.
offer.
Find it. You need to find it for your own safety, and they need to find it, right?
Yep.
Okay, get to work on it.
Okay.
Okay, and Mr. Scott Martinez, did you make an announcement for the court?
Yes, I I apologize. I needed to confer with the DAs also, Judge.
Is your client on, Mr. Martinez?
He is, Judge. I believe he's in the courtroom.
Okay, great.
Judge, this is Joel Richardson. I had a plea in.
Hold on, Mr. Richardson.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Richardson.
I believe my client just got out of jail. I tried to locate him, wasn't able to locate him. Mr. Joe Riojas.
Mr. Joe Riojas, are you on? Okay, it's a bond forfeiture.
Okay, may I be excused, Your Honor? Sorry, I'm late. I had a plea in 13.
No problem. Yes, sir, you can be excused.
Thank you.
Mr. Joe Stenberg, did you need to make an announcement to the court?
Your Honor, it's Tanisha Taylor back from the breakout room. Could I possibly get in line to confer?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And this is Dylan George. Can I get a breakout room with Corey Richardson?
On Crystal Avaton, I just signed discovery acknowledgements.
Yes, Judge. I'm here on her behalf. She's online as well. That's one request to be set for trial, Judge.
Yeah, okay, set up for trial. Ms. Castillo will give you a trial.
Thank you, Judge. Can we be excused?
Yes, sir.
March
Thank you.
28.
Yes, Leila. Appreciate it. Go ahead, note that.
And I'll be right back.
Me too, I'll be right back.
Mr. Torres, did you receive the discovery acknowledgement?
I have not yet.
Okay, I think Jeff sent them to you. I check your email.
Thank you.
Sure.
Karina, I know you're so busy. Just wondering when we might be getting paperwork for Mr. Garcia.
Are you trying to clear that out today?
Yeah, the judge won't let me leave, so yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. And I do have,
Okay.
thank you.
Nothing yet, Karina. Thank you.
Will you chat me the email address you want that sent to, please?
Will do. Just FYI, he did send me an email earlier in the morning and it took about maybe 10 minutes from the time that he told me he sent it to come in. Not quite sure why, but I'll check. I'll continue to check.
Sonny, will you please chat me the email address you want me to send the certification of appeal to, please?
Mr. Stenberg, did you need to make an announcement to the court?
Howdy, Your Honor. So,
Your Honor, this is Tanisha Taylor. I'm back from conferring.
hi, this is Joe Stenberg. You can take they probated the fine.
Okay, Your Honor, it looks like Ms. Tanisha Taylor is back from conferring.
Your Honor, Mr. Joaquin Garcia's right to appeal for his MTR should be appearing for you.
Ms. Taylor, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
Dismiss your case.
Okay, thank you. May me and my client be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And Mary, if you're back, I signed the discovery acknowledgement on Sim, whatever his name is. I can't
Thank you,
pronounce it.
Judge. I think I just needed a reset date from Aleda.
Okay,
That'll be March 28th.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am. May we be excused?
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
And Mr. Michael Balashek
Has arrived.
Yes,
Okay,
Judge, I have Clorinda Dominguez on page 3. I've not been able to establish contact with her for quite a while now, so I don't see that she's appeared today either.
all right, it's a bond forfeiture.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll be excused.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Judge Scott Martinez, may I approach?
Yes, sir. The page, where are you?
I believe I'm on page 8.
Yeah, okay, got it. Your client on?
He is in the courtroom.
Okay, got it. So what are you doing?
Spoke to the state. They are going to review the file and make an offer
Be
later
back
today.
tomorrow. Be back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Judge.
Yep, you and the client both.
May I have a confer with my client in a breakout room, Judge,
Yes, sir.
and then be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Howdy, this is Joe Stenberg. May I approach? Please.
Ooh, yeah, go ahead.
I have a client, Alicia Chapman, on page 4.
Okay,
We have an agreement with the ADA for a plea.
all right, do the paperwork and be back tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Maybe be excused.
Yes, after you make sure you get your email address of your client to prosecution or Ms. Castillo.
I'll send it to the ADA. Thank
Okay. Then you can be excused, yes, sir.
Judge, this is Ms. Middleton. May I approach?
Yes, ma'am.
You should have his right to appeal on page 1, Joaquin Garcia for an MTR. We're ready.
But it's killing me.
Okay, I need the MTR.
The state needs that as well, Your Honor.
What's the name again, Sonny?
Joaquin Garcia on
Okay,
page 1.
Okay, yes, I see it, but I don't have the MTR yet.
I'll send it, Judge. What was the case number, Sonny?
I got it, 617964.
Yes.
964. Okay. All right. Okay, I just sent it.
All right, I got the MTR. I don't know if the state's got it.
I have received it, Judge.
Okay, we're ready. Joaquin Garcia, where are you?
Yes, sir.
I need to see you. Are you Joaquin Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Take down your mask while you do this.
Okay.
All right. This is 617-964. Would you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you the same Mr. Garcia who's on deferred adjudication probation for DWI, was placed there on July 22nd, 2019 for a period of 12 months? Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. The state has made some allegations that you violated your probation. They're going to read them to you, and after they do so, you need to enter a plea of true or not true to those allegations. Go ahead, state.
Yes, Judge, the state is proceeding on condition number 2, violation of condition number 2, on or about the 29th day of August, 2019. In Bay County, Texas, the defendant Joaquin Reyes Garcia IV did then and there fail to submit to a urinalysis as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, sir? True or not true?
True.
You understand, sir, that if you plead true to that, based on you plead true alone, I can send you to jail. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
When that could happen, you still wish to plead true.
Excuse me?
Knowing that that could happen to you, do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll find it is true. Go ahead, state.
Yes, sir. The state would move to revoke probation. The state would also move to enter an adjudication of guilt with a $0 fine and court costs, 7 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, the time and money to run concurrently, and if it pleases the court, the judgment would be satisfied.
Ms. Middleton?
That is the offer, Your Honor.
All right, then I'm find him guilty, revoke his probation. Sir, and there's no fine, you're to pay court costs, give me 7 days in the Bexar County Jail, give me credit for time served, run the time and money concurrently, and your judgment is satisfied. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ms. Castillo, have you heard from Karen Corby? George Sharman?
What case, Your Honor?
Very first one.
That case
549.
was reset to
March 22nd, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
And how about George Sharman's on the first page?
Yeah, I did a re-invite. He must be very busy in a different court, so we're waiting on him.
Okay. I'm just going through the docket, see who hadn't shown. Ernest Acevedo? On first page, first one on page 4. 656754.
Yeah, that one was reset to March 2nd, Mr. Acevedo.
Okay. And how about the next one, John Kuntz?
John Coots, deferred adjudication was granted, so that case is out.
Okay. Got it. It's got Cole Nettles. I don't know who Cole Nettles is.
Cole Nettles is reset to May 18.
Eric Hernandez.
Eric Hernandez,
And the following, Elizabeth Russell, those are no files at this point. So
Okay.
they're reset to May 18.
I don't understand how you could file charges against someone without a file.
There are some cases that are out there that do not have files.
No, but it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not the defense attorney's fault. Somehow it's the district attorney's office's fault. They could file something against somebody and not have charges. Steve Harkowitz. On page 7.
Page 7.
Ralph.
Yeah, it's a no file as well, May 18.
How about Dave Garza? Kristen?
Dave Garza, those are also June 1st, no file.
Okay. I'm funny. Jay Norton, owner, Douglas Mayfield, 17507. Same page. 7.
Yeah, May 18, no file.
I'm missing your court. Filing system needs some help. How about next page, Ashley Morgan?
Ashley Morgan.
Jasmine Clay.
That's Ashley Morgan. That's March the 9th.
Okay. And then down to Corey Henderson, Michael Young's office. I don't know who's handling.
Yeah, those have been reset due to no file, June 1st. Those are fairly new cases.
On the very last page, Matthew Allen. Matthew Gonzalez.
Matthew Allen, those cases all the way up to Alberto Rodriguez are June 1st, no files.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to figure out who's you. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Torres, I just filed discovery on my friend on Garcia.
Yes, Judge. I'm just waiting on 2 more individuals.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Ramos, I just signed Javier Solis Lita.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Señor Lira, ya te puedes salir, ahorita te marco. Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, as far as
George Sharman, he is still in, he's in a trial in Guadalupe County.
Okay, let's reset his then for a week. Maybe something happened then.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Flores.
Is that Albert Flores?
Yes, we're back. We got the discovery acknowledgement signed. Judge is on mute.
What's your client's name?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
What's your client's name?
Gabriel Lopez Chavez. He's the
Okay.
guy with the safety suit, the safety vest on.
Oh, hang on,
First page, bottom of the page.
hang on. The Docket sign won't come through. Oh, it did now, finally. Okay, I signed it.
All right, Judge. Will we be getting a date in the mail?
No, you'll get one from Miss Castillo right now.
Is this a trial setting? It'll be March
Yes.
28th.
Okay. Are we excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, Mr. Torres, which defendant are you lacking discovery on? You're muted, sir.
I sent that over to Jeff King right now on a private message. Jeffrey King.
No problem, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
The discovery acknowledgement was sent over on Luis Silva.
Yeah, I just got it. Hold on. Yeah, I just signed it.
Okay, Judge, we just need to get a trial date on that.
Yeah, I'll talk to Ms. Castillo. She'll give it to you.
Okay, Judge, may my client be excused?
Yeah, yes, after you talk to Ms. Castillo. She'll talk to you right now.
Thank you.
Did you get that, Mr. Torres? March 28th.
March 28th?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Take care. We waiting on anybody else?
Yes, Judge, one more discovery acknowledgement on Brian Samano.
Okay, got it. Mr. Torres, I've signed 2 of them. I'm waiting on a third.
I'm signing that right now, Judge. I think we're all set, Judge.
Okay, I got the third one.
The trial date on that one's going to be April the 4th.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge. Me and Mr. Simon will be excused.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All righty, Judge. Looks like we are done.